In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make rainbow carrot Brussels sprouts. For this video, you will need rainbow carrots, and you can remove the outer layer of the skin and remove the bottom and the tips. In a separate saucepan, you can add the Brussels sprouts with some coconut oil and just let it heat. These are already heated, but they're not thoroughly cooked. I'm going to wait to put in the rainbow carrots. I am going to add some salt. This is pink Himalayan sea salt. I like having it in this jar so I can just grab it with my clean hand and put it around the Brussels sprouts just like that. And I'm going to mix. I am going to add the rainbow carrots, and I'm going to cut them in small sizes, just about the size of the Brussels sprouts. I season the Brussels sprouts separately because Brussels sprouts do really well with salt, but carrots are very sweet. It'll already grab a little bit of the salt of the Brussels sprouts, but it won't be overpowering. I'm cutting these about the size of these Brussels sprouts, and I'll just add them in and let them cook. I love these rainbow carrots. They're just so beautiful. Okay, now that these are done, I'm going to put them in the bowl. That's why you want clean surfaces, just in case one falls. Okay, I'm going to put this in the pan. I'm going to add the carrots. I'm going to turn on the heat, about medium, about that much. I'd say that's pretty good. So you see it's at the top. I'm going to try and put it down to the bottom. Oh, beautiful. And I'll put the top on, let it saute for a while. Every few minutes, you want to come back and stir it. There. It's like a salty, sweet saute. Now I could make a yogurt sauce or something to dip this in, but I'm just gonna eat it just like it is. So you can see it's pretty charred. I like it this way, but if you don't, just cook it for less time or mix it a little bit more often. But I honestly love charred Brussels sprouts and carrots. Yeah, this is a little bit on the burnt side, so don't forget it on the stove. Honestly, this is really good. You know, another thing I love doing is using balsamic.